My name is Frank, and I represent Barrera Wallpaper. What makes Barrera Wallpaper special is that we personalize our visits with our clients. We have interior designer that will sit with you, personalize everything, explain to you what type of colors to use in certain rooms and what do you need exactly to change that room to what you really want. Not just a wallpaper on the wall, but actually a space of living that you're gonna enjoy for many of years. Flooring goes with wallpaper. If you have a flooring, you need to make sure you get the correct wallpaper to make that flooring come alive. Furniture, all these things come together at once. And with having this team, Barrera Wallpaper, we can make it happen. You can contact us at barrerawallpaper.com or follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Barrera Wallpaper.